In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code for trading strategies. We'll start by setting up a clean workspace so everything stays organized. On your computer, create a new folder and name it Trading Project. Keeping a single clearly named folder makes it easier for Claude to understand what to work on and prevents file mix-ups later. Think of this folder as the entire project environment you'll hand to the AI. Next, place your trading CSV inside that folder. The path should look like Trading Project followed by the file inside it, for example, trading data.csv. If your CSV already contains columns like date, open, high, low, close, and volume, you're in great shape. The exact column names don't have to be fancy. Consistency matters more than anything. Just make sure the CSV you drop in is the one you want analyzed. Now open the Claude app and go to Co-Work. Click Work on a project, then select your Trading Project folder. This tells Claude exactly where your data lives. By pointing the workspace at your folder, you avoid copying and pasting data or juggling file paths. Once selected, Claude can see your CSV and any files you add later, all scoped to that single project. With the folder connected, ask Claude to analyze your data. A straightforward prompt works best. Analyze this trading data set and create a trading strategy. Claude will review the CSV, look for patterns and propose a plan suited to the structure of your data. You can mention your preferred time frame or instruments in conversation if you already have them in mind, but that simple prompt is enough to begin. If you want the strategy to be crystal clear, ask for a breakdown that you can trade mechanically. Request an explanation that covers entry, exit, stop loss, and risk management. Entry describes the conditions that trigger a trade. Exit defines when you close it, whether at a profit target or when conditions change. A stop loss protects you if the market moves against you. Risk management ties it all together by sizing positions and limiting overall exposure. When you're ready to validate results, ask for backtesting code. Say, create a Python script to backtest this strategy using the CSV file. Claude will generate a script that loads your CSV, applies the rules, and reports performance metrics such as returns and drawdowns so you can see how the idea would have performed historically. That's the entire workflow. Create the folder, place the CSV inside, open Co-Work, select the folder, and ask Claude to analyze. Keep everything in that single project, iterating conversation, and you'll move from raw data to testable strategy quickly and confidently.